You there on top the original Naija FM 102.7. We radio.
At the end, the commando, the landing for inside the song and the matter. One thing I just like about that song now, 70% beat and 30% lyrics. No time. More we dance. We don't get time. We don't want send message now to just make it up like say we don't talk for the matter.
But this is Oja piano just now, so that's Oja where they play now. So now live playing.
Live, you can play it. It's live. And that instrument is very difficult to put inside key.
Okay.
It's hard to enter key.
Yes.
It takes a producer who is smart to know how to maneuver around. So that's why you don't go hear them carelessly or anyhow. Even on stage, if you say artist a performer, come blow ya, you have to don't sing. Like there's a lot of process
or practice.
Yeah, not just practice for the process before you come out on the digital.
That's why it's a spiritual song.
It's a spiritual instrument.
I've been talking about producer who actually produced this particular jam.
And then I've Jason.
Yeah,
and a bad boy.
Another they bring new boys come up now.
Yeah, and a bad boy. He ain't do one or two with Tenny too, you know.
Okay, with Tenny boy.
Yeah, but Louis boy.
Now they talk because I remember that time. What you been there? How many people don't really use their producers to shout away for songs? So we know them by force. I think Timaya and Olamide.
I do Del B now.
And then you do Del B. Shout tired. The producer he blown up by force. You know
that. Boss everywhere.
I tell you. So on your piano now. What you will talk about how you want to feed them more to the masses, because the main reason why we're here today, like we say, you also want to talk about kcee. No, we want to talk about Oja piano. We want to make sure say that Oja piano day stamped for people to talk. Say tomorrow when they write history books.
Yes, sir.
So many of us somebody come to say, no, it was me that actually started at Oja level. You know, say voila, they always
they quick rush.
They come talk. You know,
but me, I don't register. I'm trademark.
Good.
Before everywhere the boss. So me, I know what I do. No be mistake, not intentional. So the like you said, the journey where we there and to explain how it happen. We don't talk. And my aim now to create a mix. You know, how we can take that cultural music more global.
Okay.
You understand? Since the attention they on Afrobeat.
Okay.
You know, that was my intention.
Yeah.
Make I do something where I go. You know, fella do something good and see they talk about it. What you go do as a musician or as anything where you be, when you live, make them talk about you. Say, okay, now this guy do this thing.
Okay.
As a legend at that level I did. Okay. I know they're in a hurry for hits alone, you know. Right.
I know you don't pass hit level now. Not be by hit
definitely.
Now. Even I hit they look for I go there the vest. Well, I mean, when I talk about the hits, you tell people say this now something you're supposed to enjoy.
No be lie.
You understand?
No be
and
lie.
one person they enjoy that one a normal hit on his own.
No be lie.
Now all these smallies then they look for hit we go say no you're not Godfather for those.
We have hits them over and over.
You don't understand?
If I really small, I think somewhere along the line you answer the question before I even think to make an answer, because you know as much as I don't know you reach. It always shock me because I know when I start to know you, I think every that time I know you. And then watch you on television. You understand? So I won't almost ask, but I think somewhere along the line you answer up.
Yeah.
I won't say, you know, for a very long time you don't actually do this thing. What will you really be
your sustaining power,
your formula? When you don't say day reach like you say till date, you say day relevant.
You don't fade out, you don't do anything. You did at the inside. The years as they come, there's always you. I'm here with one song
definitely.
Or the other.
No, so that's in I'm with you at the talk. The ability to always stay different. You understand? When you think out of the box, they think how to pave another way or how to. When you try to search your mind, you know you always stand out. Nine be my secret. And they always challenge myself. My biggest competition are me. I know they see anybody because me I dey unique and different in my own way. A lot of people believe I know sabi the work. A lot of people believe I know get talent. But I don't they feed my family with them. I see they do them. I see they go big shows. Then they pay me with it and they pay most of the big artists. Now, most of them they 5 years when I start. Some of them they school. Some of them never born them.
Yes.
You know, so for me to sustain I'm rich now, still they on that A list now. I'm gonna be mistake. Now somebody with the intentional, with the dedicated, and with the passionate about it. So now those things are driving the passion.
I bet, correct me if I'm wrong. You know, say because of so many songs we don't come left, right, and center. I know, say probably I suppose don't do the research, but I need to ask: you and Tu Baba do ever do any track together before?
Yes, we do one song, but we never made the video though because then you know, I get one song we will do.
One of your album like that.
Yeah. What's the name of that album? I can't remember. But
you won't forget your album.
Wow. You know many album don't come out.
You don't do plenty.
See, I know they talk and say, I don't know about the people now, but when they talk about if they don't put that for Guinness Book of Nigeria record for video, The
Yes,
artist
so.
wey don shoot video pass
Yes, so.
as a song dey come na
Yes,
kcee.
so.
Out of 7 tracks for inside one album, all the 7 must get video.
I fit shoot the 7. In fact, some self we shoot away no come out.
He doesn't come up and say, why kcee always, if any of the video, River must be.
And I dey go get inspiration.
You know,
Don't mind me.
so anyway, all those
Okay.
things they come out, and you'll be asked one question about
No, I
that,
don't. We don't tell us that. But and that's when me say they, shock me now and say, we don't see cases, cases tired. Now I come be like say, you don't go the way of Lagbaja.
Normal level.
Wait till be this. Wait till be the inspiration behind this your new.
first, well, no more first talk one. First he had the pull hair for a head.
Okay.
Say he can't grow in hair can't come out. But he gets.
we know
Guy
now,
what
we
a
know.
runner.
No, I run am. The truth be say, I go Turkey go do hair transplant. I do my hair transplant for Turkey, so I can't grow my hair.
That was the first time I noticed that for the cover of what that song again. That one, blessing that one what you do with this guy. What's this producer name?
Is it producer? No. Is it what we do with?
He did say swimming pool or something like that. He do one
Is it with this guy? This Ghanaian.
Ghana, then this guy.
Sarkodie.
Yeah, Sarkodie. But now this guy, now producer. What's that our guy name again? Our producer.
Black Jersey. That
was the first time where I see the.
my hair.
He didn't go do hair transplant.
That's
So wait till the hair they grow.
Normally now.
They grow.
Of course.
So wait, the transplant is
Google am now. Even the hair control am now.
Wait, they go tear the head.
They will take your hair from back, plant am for front back.
You go germinate.
It dey grow. My hair dey grow normal now. Yeah. Natural.
So okay, now you started shocking the world with the different type of experimental
Normal.
kcee.
My life na experiment.
kcee. I'll call it. It's a new movement. kcee.
Yes,
Now, when you do that one, my guy here now ask because we don't see the whole level and then the music still get a kind of transmogrification.
What did you say?
Ayaba! Please, ladies and gentlemen, we don't go for music break. We dey come. Osam don't end the show. We dey come.
So now there's this. Even me, and if you know what ask, because we like I don't go back. So I don't want to. When we wear the mask, you understand? I look and say, well, what's the just like my brother talk now? What's the Lagbajai style? Is it a one-off thing or you just bring and come this? Because right now they video this thing.
No, lately I don't see this stuff.
No, that's what me dey now. You know if you catch me full time now. Now how far you go to see me? You know, if sometimes you see me, I will lock up finally like this. Now, see my eye. Don't see her like this now. Don't see me. Now because of my guys, that's why I say, when I don't to see me finish.
This one available. They're not to see me.
The truth be say, as an artist or a creative person, the ability where you go take hold your audience. See, as I don't know me for over 2 decades now, right? As I did now, you get such with the tutorial you somehow like, oh, why this guy come? There's something. Even my parents now say, my family, you know, say they tell this man, you know, they tire.
Yeah, so,
that element is always needed after a while.
No, that's good.
Now those kind of things will sustain you. So for me, this one is the era of make I cover my face more. They don't to see my face. They know me. Even if I turn my back now, people know me. You understand? So now cruise to take still they set the market.
So now, but like the level where they go now, if I may ask, that something we will expect for your new videos now. For example,
that say I do one song with Skibby, Doom. Yes. Where they wave in the boss everywhere. The video is one of the sickest video I can brag on.
That's Doom, baby.
Yes, mad. If you see me, I know show face for the everything lock up.
The lock
and
up.
This
was that your
piano.
first?
Yeah, that was my first outing.
Your first lock up in outing.
Yes.
What of this for Japiano? The video don't come out.
I know see my face is dropping anytime soon. We don't shoot that.
I'm not telling you video. If you don't do this video,
I don't knock am before we release.
You talk that.
I say if you don't do this video, something is wrong.
I don't knock am before they release. So it's dropping soon. And Max up all through, you know.
I just imagine the concept. If you watch it,
it's stupid. You go like her.
I just imagine the concept.
You go bad.
I just imagine the concept.
You go be like wow.
And then, okay, well,
we know they play.
So now, when would they expect this Piano? What do they call them? Like the video to drop out now. The Nigerian shooter.
Mix. When you see, I go collect.
So now, kcee, what tell us now? Say be Lagbaja Pro Max.
Normally, yes. Now where I did now. If I see Lagbaja now, I even thank him for the idea.
No, but seriously, who be the director of the video?
Matt Max.
Matt Max they shoot.
Normally, I bring him back now.
Matt Max, my guy. Let me lie.
If we talk finish now, enter YouTube, go watch kcee featuring Skibby, Doom Doom.
Okay.
If you watch video finish, you go put your comment there by yourself.
You
go know say video pass video.
So when I do a little bit of the what they call them, the production in Nigeria, then some other places. Yeah.
Now so they run.
So when exactly? Because right now it's not just enough. Say you go the tease or the test. Your listeners, your fans, right now, as the way Ojapiano don't blow, it's better for you to leave them a date to anticipate. We know so with the year from Naija FM 102.7.
Officially, normally.
Yes.
I'll say next week, but no particular day.
That's what will be this week, so this
week on the roundup already.
This one are June 7th,
and
of course.
Thursday. So let's say next week.
As from the 12th.
All this kind of time.
Yeah,
kcee, if I shoot any video from street, bro, when I carry me go now, I don't go run, no worry.
Don't say that peace. You go say, I go peace for airport. I don't see you. I go seize your passport.
All right, thank you for that. So now let's get back to the normal. But before I go, not the normal, the initial one. What I will bring from the end. First and foremost, make we still talk about socials because right now we're in the digital age. So, like, what will be your social media handle right now? Not be say I don't know more,
but
make, every
the
day,
people they listen,
the new people they bossing.
It didn't necessary. Even 2-3 people join me, no bad. So I bet when I go my Instagram now at @IAM_kcee. The kcee na kcee. And at the same thing with my Twitter at @IAM_kcee. Then my TikTok na badman kcee. But that bad na good at the column, but na badman kcee. Then my Snapchat na kcee Limpopo. I mean, no, kcee Limpopo. I don't even forget my
Snapchat.
kcee Limpopo.
Kcee
Limpopo. That be my Snapchat.
Okay.
You know.
Now when they talk generally about the Ojapiano music, where we say don't bust out. Of course, now mixture something will be very very successful right now. If you say it not successful, over 300. In fact, we never know whether I don't pass 400 by now. They talk
normally, everything sharp.
And a record breaking level for in 3 days 300,000. So you understand how this level they go. That is massive acceptance of the level. So now. You say something, say you know, go tell us what it be based on what you want run. So what can you give us a tip of the ice block?
We see the fridge, the try block. The thing be say, like I said, me I be very intentional man, you know. So I dey always think too far. So like I dey tell you now, say where I dey now is a season that has already been planned, and I don't know when the season will elapse.
Okay.
Because I go flow with the season. But I don't already know when to kick off. I know when if I don't see the season done I go move to my next season.
Okay.
Now me I be one of those artists for Nigeria people don't know. I'm very, very versatile. But people know they understand because sometimes they need to like pay attention or give people their flowers the way it's supposed to be.
Yeah.
But me, why I love myself is I don't care about the flower. I care about my pocket. You know, so me, I love to experiment. I love to do different sound. I don't do reggae. I do dance hall. I even do Fuji music.
You are the eclectic.
You understand?
Yeah,
hey, don't come again. You won't end this show again.
Electricity.
It's an eclectic. Yes, eclectic.
You know, so me, I like to be versatile. They try different. So after this genre, you know, I go move them again to another genre.
Level. I trust
and
you.
when you move things like that, you go get more fan base, you go get more attention,
more expectations.
Yes, now people will know you will like you. Go they shock them.
Which level? Which one do we want to come out again?
Now, kcee be that.
Now I like to go back very quickly because now you're the 5-star general,
normally
5-star music, the record label.
Normally
5-star music over time don't get artists where we say till date they are doing well
normally
themselves. So the question I like to ask now, I say, okay, what is the way forward now? 5-star music. No, it can't be like now only you just do your 5-star. Nobody they follow you share the style.
Yeah, that's what I mean. That's what I
you planning to
feel.
come in with new artists?
Definitely, yeah. Before the end of the year, we'll unveil some new artists by the grace of God. Yeah.
Go join. You don't hear now. Go join.
Go join. Don't blow. We don't want people don't blow. Their eye go too open. Go join. Don't blow. Since you don't have many years, we don't blow.
I never blow.
I don't feel sign Go join. You have like where I want sign myself. That big man.
No one I go bring person. I go the manager.
That one a partnership.
Okay,
yeah,
okay,
you feel do.
partnership.
I can partner with you.
That's supposed to be. Since I don't make it now.
Next one, at least you don't talk about the level as they be. And another thing where I want to ask, I know you be very, very generous person. And is there anything on this Ojapiano based on TikTok competition or any giveaway where you did do right now?
or like a dance,
like a dance
No,
challenge.
the truth be say the thing don't go viral. The challenge where then they go now, if you put that kind of money, now people go back out. People where you know expect they on the matter.
Yes.
Without money, they love it. There is growing organically.
So that organic love, right?
Nice day on now. So putting a challenge to it now go reduce.
So you know, but you
the
be
love.
not plan the challenge from the beginning
I
at all.
not plan challenge. Then challenge me. Now them challenge me because I go drop song in the morning, in the night, 12 a.m. before morning. They show over 100 and something thousand videos. It has never been done. 100 and something thousand video on TikTok. It has never been done.
Wow.
For one day, I was getting over 100 and something thousand a day. And when me I look when TikTok would send you email, you know, when the thing reach 100,
they will send you.
They will send me email say congratulations, so you don't get so number of video, first of its kind. More, you need to brag about them.
I don't lie you.
Especially from an OG like me.
We're talking about OG like you. I mean, right now, get new boys wake up like say, they are doing wonders.
Normally.
Are we expecting that you could do any form of collaboration with some of these boys?
If it happen, if it happen.
Make a dig deep again. Like who you would feel right now? So you look and say, okay, this guy. Yes, I feel do. A lot
of them are doing very well. Then they do very well. Honestly, a lot of them. You know, me. If you say my corners, I feel calling from now till tomorrow. But I feel you mention 3 names. Where we say me. Now people will be say I know say I really did feel. I will say someone like Rema.
I knew it.
Someone like Rita.
I knew it.
Let me tell you something about Rema. I even met Rema years back for Benin. I don't even know him. So then they even won't come meet me, link up, try to. Some people they bounce him. I can't stop them. I can't allow and close. I didn't even know that happened. He can't see me years later where he blew. He even tweeted it. It's different. He say remember when they bounce and this man say me come. I can't say we come meet for backstage again. I was so excited. They tried and I can't they tell me this. I was so emotional about it. You know, so that thing just put one kind love somewhere. Now no be that one alone. The boy bad.
I knew it. I won't call Rema before I call him.
The boy too bad. You see the boy. He's one of those boys where they intentional. You know where they go. See, I tell people, no be just say in management or in team. No, it has nothing to do with them. Yes, he's blessed with those people, but
get your own talent.
I'm a creative. I know what I talk. He not they sleep. Nobody can tell you what to do. Now what you do, now your people go say. So he needs a lot of accolade. He's very, very he needs to be celebrated.
Give him a flower.
Yes, normally. Tell me too. I like do song with Ruga. Okay. I love Ruga so much too. In sound, they enter my head.
I don't want to be Baba for you, Pro Max.
I love her. They remind me when I did at Jegule, they like all those dancehall things they do, you know. So that one they enter me. On my late too, they do well. I like them very well. So then plenty.
Now the youngest. Come out to. Should ask question. As an OG, that's okay. Let me tell you where I'm coming from. Let me plug them.
Me, I don't say you call them Malian, you know.
You know. All right, then. Make also listen to kcee, the 5-star general, of course, the man who don't bring at the Ojapiano level, and of course this Ojapiano now we never know whether we call him no, we know now you don't get name from Limpopo Corona. We should have one. We won't give that Ojapiano mix master or something like that.
More like you call me kcee now. More like you call me kcee.
Your title don't full everywhere.
People they get title now. So apart case that one on your name, so title all day.
Now some Limpopo don't agree come out for my
hand. No, Limpopo no.
I don't try. Made them stop to call me Limpopo. You know what?
Bro, that time any party where they play, any party where they play, they don't play Limpopo. Let me say the DJ no good.
So tell the DJ no come with it dance. So 2 finger dance. 2 finger by the side.
I tell you.
All right, thank you so much.
Thank you, my brother.
Say you don't come in. I mean, very, very interesting interview. We love the way we take the inspire the younger ones, especially a lot of inspiration talk. We don't talk today. A lot of people don't know where they pass go. They don't know where they pass come. But one is a person we don't do grounded we just study, you know, for inside the entertainment groove, especially from your own part of music, and with the one that say even in a small nuggets where you they talk small, at least some of them don't know how to push their way. So much for this Ojapiano BT will come out.
Have you around again.
Definitely.
No, the next time we'll come now politics and many BBT will talk.
We'll
not get time for that one. But next one will they come.
Normally.
We'll go floor Nigeria, talk many things.
No, before you close, I don't watch the video mad.
Okay, you mean the other one?
Me and Skibby, don't do.
No, the one with Skibby.
You need to watch am. You need to watch the video. If you watch it, you go send me text. No, you know if you watch am, you no message me say who do am.
You don't understand. Who
The video you chop belleful.
All right, now I'm making for a lot. So say kcee they always they admire OAP work, and this time around we won't play Oja piano, but not be we go play. Now kcee go use the mouth, still touching the Naija for 2%.
I like that one. Okay, my people. My people, as when I did there now, I know the time now, that kind, 4:52, I don't see as the time they go now, everywhere they cool for this side, the weather they cool, rain the drizzle, so I want giving one spiritual sound, we wanna go to enjoy you in the evening, and make sure say, when I go to bed very well this night. The name of this song now, Oja Piano, now new fusion, created by my humble self, Limpopo One.
You there on top the original Naija FM 102.7. We radio.